So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another collab with WEQUEEN. It has been a minute since I have worked with them. I believe this is the second time, so I'm really excited to be doing this video. Now they reached out to me recently and asked me to pick out a wig to review, but they strictly just wanted me to take some pictures to post and do a short video slash TikTok. But I really wanted to share this wig with my YouTube fam, so I decided to go out of my way and of course make a YouTube video for you guys to see this wig. So this is strictly my decision. Now the wig that I picked out is this half up half down pre-styled bun braided hair wig. It's called something familiar like that, but we will definitely get into details a little later. Now, if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap. Then I will give you guys some more details about the wig. And then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. Now, you guys know Black Friday is coming up very, very soon. So this is the perfect time to head over to WEQUEEN and check out the wig. Even if you like this wig, check this wig out. And I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies. Aside from all that, if you are interested in hearing about this cute wig, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 in the front and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and the cap in the back is breathable. Now I did show you guys the lace. It did have lace in the front, which of course is obvious that I did cut it for this video. And it also had some baby hairs, which surprisingly I did trim down a little bit this time. If you guys know, normally when it comes to these wigs and the baby hairs, I do not touch the baby hairs. I just swoop them. But since this is a braided type wig, I had to cut them a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's still, you know, I still got some hair sticking up because I had a little issue with trying to swoop the baby hairs to my liking even after trimming them. But hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, okay? So let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So real quick, here are some advantages when dealing with this type of wig. So it's easy to install and remove, less time for maintaining. Compared to human lace wigs, braid wigs will save you a lot of time installing and removing and finishing your look in the blink of an eye. Natural and comfortable, it's light and soft, looks like your natural hair, and you won't feel hot during summer. Save your time and money. It takes hours and hundreds of bucks to get your hair braided in the salon, while it only costs half of the money and time to get a wig, and it lasts longer. Protect your natural hair, stay on trend, and get your hair braided without the risk of damaging your natural hair. So again, this wig is from WEQUEEN. This is their half up, half down pre-style bun braids hair with curls. The lace size is a 13x4 lace front wig. The color is 1B or natural black, and the length is about 26 inches. Now it retails for $109.99, but of course if you do not want to pay full price, you can divide that into 4 payments of $27.50. It says PayPal, so I'm not too sure. It looks like that's the only thing that they use is PayPal. Now I forgot to mention that, as you guys saw in the previous clip as well, they did send me a pack of beads, which I absolutely love, because when it comes to things like this or locks, I love to put in beads. So I really do appreciate them for doing that. And of course they sent me a bag to put the wig in. Now again, it is a 13x4 lace front wig. The lace color is medium brown. The cap size is average, which is 22.5 inches, and comes with adjustable straps. The hair color is a 1B or natural black. Braids type is 100% hand braided. Finish length is 26 inches only. Hair material is heat resistant. I don't know how to say it. I will put it right here on the screen, with synthetic fiber, and the hairline is pre-plucked with baby hairs. Now I did show you guys that I did use my lace tint to tint the lace on this wig a little bit. Unfortunately, the wig cap that I used today is a little bit lighter than usual, so you guys can definitely see that. Y'all know I tried my best to install this wig as, you know, perfect as I could. So yeah, you definitely can see my wig cap today, because I think that's the only color wig caps that I have around right now. So yeah, I did of course use my Gots to Be glue spray to install it. I didn't install it to perfection. I installed it enough where it stays, where I can literally leave the house and go about my business, okay? If I decide to leave the house later, you know, I'll just reinstall it. It was very simple. The hair on this wig is extremely soft, okay? You wouldn't have even thought it was synthetic hair, because it doesn't feel like it at all. This wig is super soft. I absolutely love it. Y'all know I love the length. I love a 26-inch wig, okay? She is cute, soft, and everything. The little bun is cute as well. All it was, you know, it's braided up, so they put a little rubber band and then just turned it around. It did mess up a little bit, but I went ahead and tried to re-wrap it around as best as I could. But yeah, she is cute, really cute, nice and full as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around. So of course this is how she looks in the front, side, back, and other side. So yes, she is cute, okay? I just wasn't really expecting to like her as much as I do, okay? I knew I would like her, but I really really like her. I probably should have installed the wig before doing my makeup. Not saying that I really had a lot of problems, because I really didn't. I just feel like I would have been able to get the baby hairs down the way I needed to. Maybe, not too sure, but either way, she was pretty easy to install. But yeah, I really, really, really do like her. She is absolutely gorgeous. So I do want to thank WEQUEEN for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. As promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies, and you can save 20% off. So I will leave that code down below in the pinned comment, as well as the description box, and right here on the screen for you guys as well. The code is LS20, capital L, capital S, 20. So make sure you guys put that in the little promo code area at checkout so you can save you 20% off. Now also, I did mention about Black Friday, but the code that I just gave you guys, you can use it anytime. It is not just for the Black Friday sale. So keep that in mind, that you can use that code anytime when purchasing a wig from WEQUEEN. As usual, you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the length, the texture, the idea of the half up, half down pre-style braided bun. Let me know all of that. Would you rock this wig? How this wig look on me? Let me know all of that. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell, so you are not missing a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.